Welcome to vlog number 2. I just cut my hair short. Now I'm on my way to Tunis. I'm currently in Bardo and we're going to the Souq. So I'll probably film the process of going to Tunis from Bardo. We're gonna take a collective taxi and I'll see you there.
Go now to the Smiley man.
Yay! Okay, so there's this guy near the Souq, or he's in Tunis, that does material work, and we're gonna visit him and then afterwards go to the Souq. I'm just gonna show you more or less how the architecture looks. One thing that I had to get used to is how everyone drives. It's crazy. It's different from South Africa. Also, it's on the other side of the road. But now I'm used to it after 3.5 years.
The Smiley.
Smiley man?
There's the friendly man.
Yeah.
What you call the
make
Smiley
comments
man.
now.
لا الصباح نحب الصلاة في ذكرى.
لا ماني سير انا العشي.
العشي وقت ما العشي مهم العشي تسال.
يلا 7 عليها يلا 7 عليها.
تروا دينار
قديش من هوني؟
قديه كمان.
Okay, so we're out of that place. I assume we're going to the Souq now. We'll see. There will be lots of materials and just all kinds of things in general. You'll see. Welcome to the Souq. We're finally here.
The shop, he do like this.
So this is the closed shop. We're finding some material for Khalid's business.
Yeah, I found this one.
ميري لي موبيل مايو تو اشتريه
ما
فهمت
واحد يحضر.
هاي موجود تلقى خريج فيها مع ساعة متراجع لو قاعدة في الكلام تكون فيها.
We're still in the midst of the Souq, but we're out of the chaos. As you can hear, there's no noise now. And we're in little streets. We're going where now?
Brainstorming.
We're gonna brainstorm now about Khaled's business and the future of the business. So we'll see you in the coffee shop. Okay. According to Khaled, this is the best sandwich in Bardo. Okay. Okay.
شلون نزيد وحدة؟ صل فلفل بعدين زيتون.
صل.
Not olives.
Not olives. لا.
معروف معناها
لا زيتون لا.
زيتون.
Not onions.
Not onions. Okay. صل لا. لا. فلفل. The green one.
Yeah.
Okay. شوي. شوي.
زين.
أي.
هنا
You can start with this.
The lovely sandwich. Okay, so now I'm outside the coffee shop because currently the people are watching soccer and it's a serious game because Tunisia is always also playing. So in the previous clip you would have seen my sandwich, the best one in Bardo apparently, and then maybe I'll also put in a clip of my Coke or Coca-Cola that I ordered. So thank you for watching.